Hello viewer, I'm Vivas Malik, and in this video I'll give you Zoom subscription coupon code in a completely free, which is you can't find a more coupon code on a YouTube or blog website. So I have collected many coupon code from internet and just tested that coupon code so you can get maximum discount. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, then please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and also visit my YouTube channel homepage. You will find some awesome useful tutorial. Let's start this tutorial. First of all, you will need to go to zoom.us.com.us. Here you can see I had already logged in my account. Then simply scroll down. Here you can see Zoom. Let's log in my account. Then click on this. If you found this upgrade button, then simply click on upgrade now. Now you can select for monthly subscription or annual subscription also. If you do payment for annual subscription for 100 users, you can see also a user. Each user can enjoy unlimited meeting time and host up to 100 attendees. So let's select for annual subscription and click on this continue option. Simply add a coupon code. And for annual subscription, you will need to add this. These are the coupon code. Here you can see now the price is 104.93 cent, and we got discount of 40 almost $45. And simply if we remove this, then we need to payment $149. Let's use another coupon code. By this coupon code, you will get only $37 discount. So this coupon code only works in an annual subscription. And let's check on a monthly subscription. For monthly subscription, the coupon code is save 152 new. Simply ignore this and paste here and click on add. Here you can see the monthly subscription, the original price is $15, but after the discount coupon code applied, you will need to payment only 12.74 cent. So please use these three coupon code, and I have collected some more coupon code also, so you need to visit. If I found any another working coupon code, then I will add a coupon code on my blog website. Just visit my blog website to get new coupon code or to get more discount. Just visit my website and you will find new coupon code. And if you are looking for any, if you need anything from this, then you can contact me on Instagram. I'll provide you in a cheap price all of these things like Prime Video account or old Facebook page or GitHub Student Developer Pack or Skillshare account or Canva Premium account or Grammarly Premium private account or Office 365 key or account or Streaming Frog license or Windows 10 11 original key or email or Moose Pro. And if you are looking for WordPress theme or license under GPL version, then you can contact me also on Instagram. I will provide you in a cheap price like the NetPress, Jana, ClickMack, Extra, Woodmart, any WordPress theme or plugin like Elementor, DB, RankMath Pro, any WordPress theme or plugin under GPL license. I can provide you in a very cheap price and in a affordable price. So if you are still watching this video, then please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like this video. Thank you for watching video.